I'm so used to being angry. You know, I don't know. Do you regret things? Like when you said something you meant but you didn't actually mean to say. You know? I don't know if that makes sense. I gotta take a piss. Don't you look... Fucker. I used to go to urinals with my dad, for safety I suppose. I was always scared of his, you know. Ugh. I was once followed out of a urinal. Not with my dad. My dad was dead then, but when I was a bit older. And he kept looking, not my dad, this guy, right? He kept looking at my dick. Glancing at first, and then he just stared. So I left, but I actually had to shit, so I had to circle back. And when I came out, he was sitting there waiting for me. So I started to walk faster, but he kept his pace up with mine. And he didn't move his eyes. And I leapt into an alley the first chance that I could, but he followed me there too. And I just remember standing there looking at him, and him looking back at me. I don't remember if I said anything. But then I just thought, fuck it. And I pulled down my pants and I yelled at him to look at it. And he did, for a moment before he ran off. What bothered me wasn't that he'd run off. What bothered me was that I was half erect.